Hey everyone, welcome back to Programmer Prabhu Charan channel. Today we are diving deep into a simple yet powerful concept, adding two numbers. Before that, let's talk about something crucial for every programmer: data structures and algorithms (DSA). Why we have to learn data structures and algorithms? Where is it? Should you learn DSA? Data structures and algorithms form the backbone of the computer science and programming languages and programming also. Every major tech company, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, test our DSA knowledge in the interviews because it shows how logically optimize solutions and solve the complex real world problems efficiently. Next, why DSA matters? Is really DSA that much important to every tech related or computer science related students? DSA helps in writing the efficient and scalable codes. If you learn the data structures and algorithms efficiently, we can write the efficient codes and scalable programs. Uh, like if we have done a project and we have to extend it to another, like extending it or adding new features to it, we have to scale our project, right? While scaling our project, we have to use modularity concept in our projects. That modularity concepts, algorithms, all comes under data structures and algorithms. Okay, DSA used in almost every software system from databases to operating systems. Okay, and it is essential for competitive programming and coding interviews. And next, how to start learning DSA? Learning DSA is very simple. We have to learn the basic programming language first, and then we have to learn the core concepts of data structures and algorithms, and we have to implement those algorithms in a programming language. By that, we can learn the data structures and algorithms. Okay. Next, which programming language is best for data structures and algorithms? Uh, e- in these times, everyone is trying to learn DSA and DSA in Python language, and one and only programming language they know is Python only. So that is the major problem I think in these days, because learning only Python won't do much for you. Okay, because everyone is learning the Python only, so everyone is your competitor. And right now there is a boom of artificial intelligence. So if you learn only Python and you learn DSA using Python, it won't do much for you. Choosing the right programming language for DSA is a important decision. Here's a quick breakdown for you. We compare first C and C++. What are the qualities of C or C++? C and C++ is extremely fast and efficient, and direct memory management helps in better understanding to us. Okay, gives us better understanding in data structures and algorithms. And these programming languages are used in competitive programs and system level applications. Next, Java is having rich library support. We have so many libraries to explore in data structures and algorithms. We learn from that, and we use those packages or those libraries to if to maintain our code efficiently. I mean, to write our code efficiently, and to maintain our code and to scale our code, we use Java. And Java also have the direct memory management, and it gives the deep understanding about the how memory works, and how it stores, how it releases the data, how it stores the data, and everything about the memory. We will uh, we will dive deep into memory management in Java and C++. So we can able to conclude the time complexity and the space complexity easily, and we can understand how the time and space complexities are coming, how we are getting those time complexities and those space complexities we can understand easily. So these are the capabilities of Java. Next, go to Python. Our Python is very well known and everybody is learning Python nowadays. But please don't use Python while learning DSA, because in Python, while it is easy to learn, Python is very easy to learn. It has high memory usage and slower than C or C++. Maybe it is very fast to be learned. If you want to learn Python, it's very easy rather than other programming language, but it is It is very slow when compared with C or Java, C++ or Java. Okay, Python is not suitable for time critical applications or like competitive codings because it is very slow. It increases time complexity. Maybe the by default it's memory management techniques or what we call garbage collection techniques. It will gives the what we call it gives the minimal space complexity, but it is highly in time complexity. That time of computing or that time of execution which is not suitable for time critical applications or as well as competitive codings also, because in competitive codings everyone is C++ is the king in competitive codings. Okay, so everyone is using C++ only. So in this series I am teaching in C, Java and Python towards data structures. Okay, so if you want to learn data structures, this is the best platform. And today I will teach you the data structures and algorithms efficiently. Let's get into it.